Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Popular Direct Bank. Is it legit? Well, that's a question I've been getting a lot lately, and I'm here to give you the straight facts. But before we dive into that, let's talk about why you might be interested in Popular Direct Bank. They offer some of the highest interest rates on savings accounts and CDs in the country. That's a big deal if you're looking to grow your money. So, is Popular Direct Bank legit? The short answer is yes. They're a member of the FDIC, which means your deposits are insured up to $250,000. They're also a subsidiary of Popular Bank, which has been around for over 100 years. So, what are the downsides of using Popular Direct Bank? Well, they don't have any physical branches, so you'll need to do all of your banking online or over the phone. They also have some restrictions on how much money you can withdraw each month. But overall, I think Popular Direct Bank is a great option for people who are looking for a high-yield savings account or CD. They're a legitimate bank with a good reputation, and they offer some of the best rates in the industry. So, there you have it. Popular Direct Bank is a legit bank that offers some great savings products. If you're looking for a way to grow your money, they're definitely worth considering. And with that, I'll wrap up this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.